Crisis mode was my default setting as a new property manager. Seriously, I thought real estate investing meant passive income, not active panic 24/7. My first year, imagine a highlight reel of exploding geysers, tenants accidentally supergluing their locks, and one memorable debate about whether a small, quiet pet included a surprisingly loud parrot. I was drowning in spreadsheets only I understood, chasing late payments like a detective, and the constant dread of my phone ringing after 10 p.m. My dream of building wealth felt more like I was just building up my stress levels. I was so close to throwing in the towel and just selling everything. Then a mentor, a real OG in the property game, dropped some wisdom. She said, "You're trying to plug 1,000 tiny holes with your fingers. You need better buckets." That hit hard, so I stopped just reacting. I actually researched and invested in decent property management software, not just the free clunky stuff. Automating rent reminders and maintenance tickets felt like a superpower. I spent a whole weekend just crafting clear, friendly, but firm communication templates for every possible tenant scenario. And delegation. Finding a reliable plumber and electrician who I could trust instead of scrambling on Google every time was a game changer. We set up biannual proactive maintenance checks. It wasn't one silver bullet, but a whole arsenal of small, smart system upgrades. Now, life's not magically perfect. This is still real estate, but the constant firefighting is over. Tenant turnover is way down because they actually feel heard, and vacancies fill faster. That crisis mode I lived in, it's now a rare visitor, not a permanent resident. The biggest win wasn't just a healthier bottom line, it was getting my time and sanity back. So if you're deep in the property management trenches, feeling totally overwhelmed, remember this: build the systems, don't just fight the symptoms. You can absolutely architect a smoother journey for yourself.